Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable airplane mode on your Galaxy Watch. Airplane mode is a feature that disables all wireless connections on your watch, including Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and cellular connections. This is a handy feature to use when you're traveling on a plane, or when you simply want to conserve your watch's battery life. So, let's get started. To enable airplane mode on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, you need to swipe down from the top of your watch face. This will reveal the Quick Settings menu, where you'll find a variety of options. In the Quick Settings menu, you'll see a few different icons. Look for the gear icon and then tap on it to get to the Watch Settings menu. From the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap Connections. Connection settings and features will load up on the next watch display. Scroll to find airplane mode from the given options and then tap to turn on the switch next to it. Doing so puts your Galaxy Watch in airplane mode, disconnecting all wireless connections. Alternatively, you can turn airplane mode on or off by tapping on the airplane mode shortcut icon on the quick settings panel of your watch. Shortly after, you'll see a small airplane icon in your watch's status bar, indicating that airplane mode is turned on. While in this mode, you won't be able to make or receive phone calls, text messages, or use the internet, but you can still use other features on your watch like the clock, alarms, and timer. Aside from saving battery life, turning airplane mode on and off can also help clear out some random software glitches that might have adversely affected your Galaxy Watch's wireless connections. And that's all there is to it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button to support our channel. We really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and have a great day.